Hello everyone, welcome back to Mahi's Life Science channel. In this video, we will discuss about the asexual and sexual reproduction in fungi. Fungi reproduce sexually and also by asexually. Perfect fungi reproduce both sexually and asexually, while imperfect fungi reproduce only asexually by mitosis. In both sexual as well as asexual reproduction, fungi produces spore that disperse from the parent fungi either by floating on a wind or hitching a ride on an animal. These fungal spores are smaller and lighter than plant seed. The giant puffball mushroom bursts open and they can able to release trillions of spores. The huge number of spores released increases the likelihood of landing in an environment that will support the growth of the fungi. Asexual reproduction. Fungi can reproduce asexually in a number of ways, including spore production, budding, and fragmentation. In spore production, asexual spores are the most common method of asexual reproduction in fungi. These spores are genetically identical to the parent cell and can develop into new fungi without fertilization. Spores can be released from the parent fungi in a variety of ways, including through wind, water, or other organisms. Some fungi can even shoot their spores away from the parent fungi. Budding. In budding, a bulge will form on the side of the yeast cell first. Then the cell nucleus started to divide and the bud eventually separate from the parent cell. Here, the offspring is genetically identical to the parent cell. And the next one is fragmentation. In fragmentation, a fungal mycelium separate into pieces. Then each piece grow into a separate mycelium. Then the mycelium will develop into a new daughter fungi. Sexual reproduction. It is a process that occurs in almost all fungi and involve the following stages such as plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. First one is plasmogamy. The fusion of two haploid cells resulting in a single cell with two nuclei. This stage is also known as union of cytoplasm. Karyogamy. The fusion of two nuclei in the cell to form a diploid nucleus, which is also known as nuclear marriage. Meiosis. The diploid zygote cell undergoes meiotic division to form a haploid sexual spores or meiospore. These spores then germinate to form a new fungal mycelium. Sexual reproduction in fungi is important because it introduces genetic variation into the population, allowing fungi to adapt to a new environment. There are two main types of sexual reproduction in fungi are homothallic and heterothallic. Homothallic. When mating occurs within a single individual, meaning each individual is self-fertile. Heterothallic. When hyphae from a single individual are self-sterile or need to interact with each other, compatible individual for mating take place. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos in the field of microbiology.